Hi, my name is Leonard Munson, the Psych Astrologer. My website is readingsbyleonardtmunson.net. The weekly overview, Pisces, October the 20th to the 27th, 2021. Pisces, your solar sign is in the 8th house. The 8th house is Scorpio. It deals with intimacy, shared resources, death and resurrection, rising from the ashes like the great Sphinx of Giza, and transformations and seeking. The sun is in Libra. It deals with the 7th house, creativity, open enemy, spiritual blessing, diplomacy, diplomat, decisions, indecisions, house of others, and legal situation. Okay, so we're balancing all partnerships and relationships out that have to do with endings and transformation. We're going to talk about the planets that will retrograde, that went direct this month, and how it will affect you. Mercury is in Libra. It was retrograding. So you were reviewing when the planet was going direct for the first 3 months, last 3 months. And it has to do with all forms of communication. It has all to do with transportation, everyday business activity. It deals with short distance traveling, siblings, teaching, speaking, writing. So you're communicating what you want. But please wait at least, because in this post-retrograde period, it takes 2 weeks for it to build up speed, at least a week before you do anything. Okay? We have Venus in Sagittarius, which is the goddess of love, money, work, and possession. This is going to benefit all Sag, Leo, Aries, Gemini, Aquarius, and Libra. That's the feminine part of you. We have Mars in Libra. And you're going to balance the time you're going to put in your relationships and partnerships, the vigor, the force, the drive, the passion, and the energy. Now we're going to talk about Jupiter, which is retrograding. So you was going to review how it was when it was going direct, what you missed, what detail you missed, and opportunities. Jupiter represents new opportunities, expansion, growth, wealth, success, truth, and karma. We had Saturn in Aquarius, and it was retrograding, and so you want to view what was going on in the last 4 months when it was direct, when you were setting a foundation, when you were setting boundaries, when you were dealing with lesson learned, delays, procrastination, employment, success, and moving up the ladder. Okay, then we have Pluto in Capricorn, and it was retrograding. He was viewing when it was going direct in the last 4 months about issues that you've been holding in and suppressing. Now it's going direct. You're going to have to deal with these issues and bring them to the top and deal with. And it goes back to childhood trauma.